Hello, I am Alicia. I'm one of the SCF librarians, and I want to show you a few tips on how to use the library's databases. We're going to talk about what the databases are, where to find them, and how to use them. First, you need to start at the library's main website. So I'm going to bring the page that you get where you go when you go to scf.edu/library. Once you're here, in order to get to the databases, we have a tab on the top. If you are in a computer, that's where it will be. If you're in a mobile device, a phone or something, these options from up here will be hidden in a menu icon. So you will have to open the menu button that looks like 3 bars, and then you'll see the options for these things. So then you click in databases. Once you do that, you will come to this page. This is a list of 137, as you can see, 137 databases. So what are these? Databases are collections, are places to search for information about your topic. These are not sources of information. They are where the sources are. So I usually say think of it as boxes, and you'll have to search inside. So when you come to this page, how do you know which of these databases you need to use? Well, there are different ways in which you will do that. First of all, the databases can be about specific topics, so they will cover, for example, see ABC Clio searches history, government, religion, and culture. So if your topic is related to that, this database will work. But if your topic is not about these things, it won't be useful. So how do you know which databases to use? We have too many, and they are listed in alphabetical order, not by topic. One way to do that is to click this menu that gives you subjects. So this will recommend you which databases to use. For example, if your topic is related to education or the environment or film, government, etc., you can click on this, and that will narrow down the list, going from 137 to 9, for example. So those are the recommended ones for those topics. Also, the librarians will usually give you guides and recommendations. So in the guide for Professor Bieselin, you will find my list of recommended databases, which is much shorter than this. So instead of coming to the full list, you can look at the list below and pick some from there. Okay? You can also always ask a librarian for recommendations. So we do have a chat service always available, and you click and chat with one of us and say, this is my topic, which databases do you recommend? And we will do that. Okay? So that is what databases are. And again, there are for different topics or different types of databases. For example, this one is all newspapers. Some might be only video, only images, like the art databases, or some are a little bit of everything. Academic Search Complete is a very good database that is general for any topic, and that's why we put it's always the most recommended. It covers everything, so I would recommend you to use that one. But again, the databases is just a list. You'll have to click in the title, open the database. So let's open this one just to show you quickly. This is one of them, and then here's where you can put your topic. Click search and start searching. Okay? I hope this is helpful to at least understand what you're doing when you're clicking in databases. But again, look at my recommendations or ask one of our librarians, and then you know which databases to get started with depending on your topic. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, always ask a librarian or contact me. Thank you.